Hi friends, as you know, price of stock changes on daily basis. The price movements are represented by candles and can be traced on technical charts. Now the question is it possible to predict the future price movement by looking into the price candles? It is difficult, but sometimes it is possible. So when it is possible, so most of the time you will find that the stock price moves inside a particular range. This sometimes continues for some days, some weeks, or some months to some years. When price remains in a particular zone for a longer time, this makes the retail investors frustrated because when the price moves inside this range for so many days, so many periods, retail investors who have put the money, they will definitely get frustrated because price is not moving anywhere from here. Only time is going, but there is no movement in the price. This happens to the retail investors as they mostly enter into the trade at a wrong place. So that is why this frustration happens. If you enter into a trade at a right time, then this frustration will not come at all. They enter into a trade either inside a consolidation zone or after a substantial movement has already happened on the stock and the stock price has already moved out from one consolidation zone and is about to enter another consolidation zone. So this is because we take the trade haphazardly. We don't see the crucial zone and take the trade haphazardly. It is seen that when price moves from one consolidation zone into another, it travels with a greater momentum because inside consolidation zone it will make small candles, sometimes with large candles, sometimes small candles, and it will remain inside that consolidation zone. But when it starts from this consolidation zone to another, then that time the momentum will be high. You can see big candles, quick movement like this. So the big players actually participate in the trade during these momentum phases. These are called momentum phases. So big players normally participate in the market during this phase only and take maximum benefit out of the market. They don't keep their investment idle when the stock price moves inside a range because it is a waste of time for them. When stock price moves from one range to another, it does some price action. Okay. Sometimes it also forms typical patterns before it starts its momentum. As technical analysts, we should identify this type of pattern formation in any chart and start looking into the price movement at crucial breakout zones. Then we can participate in the momentum period in that particular stock like an institutional investor or a big player. Today we will discuss about one such pattern which is considered as highly bullish. That pattern name is reverse head and shoulder pattern. We will discuss about the pattern and also we will discuss the trader's psychology behind this pattern formation. This video will be very interesting, informative and educational. After that we will also discuss on which current stock this pattern is now forming. Please be with the video till the end and you will get the maximum benefit out of it. Reverse head and shoulder pattern is considered as very bullish pattern. So what is a reverse head and shoulder pattern? This is reverse head and shoulders. Price moves from one position to downside and again tries to go up because it finds a resistance zone over that line. Then from there it goes down, again try to touch the same resistance line, cannot go up, again recedes back and tries to cross over the resistance line on a fourth attempt. So this is a left shoulder, this is right shoulder and this is a head. this pattern is formed. Now, what is the next price action? When it will be considered as bullish? So, when the price forms such a strong breakout candle and with a strong volume. So, this is a strong breakout candle and this is strong volume. If these two are observed near this particular zone, then it will conform to the reverse head and shoulder pattern and the momentum will start. And if the momentum starts, up to what point it can travel? So this is the height it will travel. It will try to achieve this much height. So this has already been proven in many stocks in the past. So this is a pattern, typical pattern, bullish pattern. It is observed in stock market charts. So the price travels with momentum during this phase. So now the question is why this is treated as a bullish pattern. Let us understand the trading psychology behind it. Okay. So psychology behind reverse head and shoulder pattern, we'll do the detailed analysis on this pattern. Suppose the price is here and it has come down from this point and sell up happened and the price went to a lower level. So people who are watching the price movement from here, now they will think that price is now cheaper. Let us enter into the trade. So they start buying the stock from this point. And when the buying happens, then price will move up. But at this point of time, it will find this resistance line over here, because from that the same level last time the sell off had happened. So it will be like the people who have entered at a bottom level, they will try to book the profit over here. So when they book their profit, they will sell the stock. Now the sell up, people will think that now the sell up is happening, so price will move downward up to this support line at least, because this is the previous support. So price will come near here. Sometimes it happens that price will bounce back from this support level. In some occasions, it was seen that the price will break the support line and go further below, like this. And when the price is somewhere here at the bottom level, now the people who were observing the stock, the movement of this price from the beginning, they will think that now the price is very cheap and they start buying the stock from here. At this point of time, people feel that the price is very cheap and they start buying the stock, taking the price up. How much it will go up? It will go up till the next resistance level, which is here. At this point of time, people who are taking trade at the bottom, they will try to do what? They will try to book their profit. When they book their profit, they will sell the stock with profit. Then the price will come down. Price will come down up to which region? To the previous support region. Okay, this support region. Now, since the trend is positive, so this price will not cross this support line. Rather, it will take support from here and it will try to go towards the upper side, because buyback will start from there. Because this is not a sell off, this is a small retracement. Price has traveled from this bottom level to the resistance level. The buyers have taken the price from lower zone to a higher zone, and price cannot travel on a straight line, so it is a small kind of retracement. So after this retracement, again buying will start from here and the price will go and halt near the resistance zone. Okay, now look at the psychology. The price had tried to cross this resistance line here, and it also has tried here. But now when it is coming near the same resistance zone, and since the overall trend is positive, so here the price will try to break the resistance line. Here the big players will start showing the interest. How we will know that the big players are participating? Because you will see strong candles like this at this particular region, okay, and with a strong volume also you can see in the chart. So that means big players are entering into the market. So this is the time you should look and track the trade, otherwise it will be too late. Okay, so when big players enter the market, obviously buying happens and the price moves up. This is the consolidation zone. From one consolidation zone, it will move up to a next level. So what is the level? So this is the level. Up to this point of this position, up to this range, the stock movement can happen. So this is the target area, and this is the momentum zone. Okay, it has traveled from consolidation zone to momentum zone to form another consolidation zone over here. When the price does some momentum, it comes in the news, it is discussed in the social media platforms and news channels everywhere. So people like us, in retail traders like us, they know about this moment from the news, from the analysis, from the YouTube channels, and they start entering into the market. But by that time, the price is already moved up. Train has already moved out of the station. They try to catch a speeding train and making their journey risky. When the momentum starts, then we realize, oh, it has formed a nice reverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish pattern. We should have identified the stock somewhere here, but we could not. We missed the trend. So our, as a technical analyst, our job should be to identify such patterns as early as possible and try to observe the price movement at this particular zone, this type of zone. Okay, then we can catch the entire momentum. Otherwise we will be like retail traders who will be catching the price at a very higher level. I hope this analysis brought some interest on you. If you like this, please hit the like button. Now, whether such price action was observed anytime in the past in any stock, answer is yes. Many times it is observed, many times. I'll show you some examples over here. CRMs, here it was formed a reverse head and shoulder. After it crossed, see the kind of bullish candle, breakout candle it has formed, and after that with the volume, okay, and after that how much momentum it has gathered, right? Similarly, Arvind also see the breakout candle, and after that it has gone such a high from 40 to 140. Okay, so this is the potential of reverse head and shoulder pattern. Similarly, Deepak Fertilizer, it has formed the reverse head and shoulder pattern. Look at the breakout candle, and after that the momentum, right? And after momentum it has done a again consolidation. So when the price moves from one consolidation zone to another consolidation zone, it moves with a momentum. It does not move slow pace, it moves very fast. So that is why we should be interested in the stock when this momentum is about to start. Okay, now the question is whether this price action is being currently being observed in any current stocks. The answer is yes. In HTMEDIA, we have found out this pattern formation in HTMEDIA. Okay, now let us see its chart. So this is the chart. This is HTMEDIA weekly chart. of 28th January, Friday. So now you can see the formation of a pattern, reverse head and shoulder pattern, and volume is also good. Breakout is also looking nice. Formation of reverse head and shoulder pattern is clearly visible. So what will be the target? How much the price can move if this pattern succeeds? How much the price can move? So this is the price can move up to this much. So now it is around 32 and it may travel up to 60 if the pattern is confirmed. So this will be our target zone, and stop loss zone will be somewhere here. So you can add HTMEDIA in your watch list and observe the movement of the price. Thank you for your valuable time. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.